In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Clickup board. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, need a physical copy for your records, or want to analyze your workflow outside of Clickup, exporting your board is a fundamental task that adds flexibility to how you manage your projects. First things first, let's dive straight into navigating to Clickup Trademark, the everything app for work. To do this, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Clickup website. This platform is your go-to spot for organizing work in one place, making your productivity skyrocket. Once you're on the Clickup homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the login option on the homepage. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Clickup account. Ensure you type it correctly to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next step is entering your password. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's typically a password reset option to help you regain access. With your password entered correctly, proceed to click on the Login button. This action should successfully log you into your Clickup account, giving you access to your dashboard and workspaces. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. Clickup organizes work by spaces, folders, and lists. Depending on your organization structure, you might be a part of one or multiple workspaces. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's proceed to your home workspace named Nan's Workspace. This is where all your ongoing projects and tasks are housed. Inside your workspace, you'll find various spaces dedicated to different teams or projects. Locate and click on the team space where the board you want to export is situated. Workspaces are great for organizing different aspects of your work or business, ensuring everything is neatly categorized and easy to find. Within the team space, search for and click on the specific project or board named Test, or whatever your targeted board is named. This step will take you directly to the board view, showing all the tasks and details laid out in a visual, easy to navigate manner. Clickup boards offer tremendous flexibility, allowing you to customize views to match your working style perfectly. To start the exporting process, first click on Customize in the upper right corner of your board. Customizing your board view allows you to filter, sort and adjust what information is displayed, ensuring that only the relevant data is exported. This feature is invaluable for tailoring the board to meet your exact needs. After tweaking the board to your liking, the final step is to export the view. Locate and click on Export View. This option lets you export your board in various formats such as CSV or Excel, making it easy to share, present or archive your work outside of Clickup. And there you have it. Exporting a board from Clickup is an easy and straightforward process that can significantly enhance your workflow and project management. Remember, exporting data from Clickup not only helps in keeping a record, but also facilitates easy sharing with stakeholders not using the platform. Before wrapping up, here's a bonus tip. Regularly exporting your boards can serve as a backup, providing a snapshot of your project's progress at different stages. This can be incredibly valuable for retrospectives, audits, or when planning future projects based on past data. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Clickup tips and tricks. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your Clickup skills, there's always something new to learn that can help you work smarter, not harder. Happy exporting!